Okay, the pathway into the bridge is a little confusing. At one point they talk about gravel, and then in another segment they talk about bonded gravel. Now, when I looked up bonded gravel, when I Googled that, I saw it was a mixture of gravel and resin, epoxy resin, which is not impermeable. Anyhow, what's going to happen is the pellets from the field are going to migrate across this walkway, across the bridge. They're going to be deposited in the river, and the surrounding wetlands will also be deposited with pellets from infill from the soccer playing synthetic field. It's just not the way to do things here. The pathway is going to be crowned on both sides, so any rain that falls from the pathway is going to wash those pellets right off on both sides of the pathway. The pathway is 460 feet long. 460 feet from Commercial Street to the bridge, and from the bridge on the other side to the field. 460 feet of disturbance. And the limit of work goes beyond that. They have to bring in heavy machinery here. They say there's nothing holding the bank together here, but there certainly is. When these trees are removed, this banking will be unstable. This banking will come down. It will come down into the river. It'll put these footings that are supposed to be just off the 25-foot buffer zone in serious trouble from flood. They could be washed out. Anyhow, what they say is untrue. The banks are both heavily vegetated on both sides. They always say things like that. And then when they can't get away with saying that, they say they're invasive species. But you're going to have to put something back here to replace them. You're going to have to do something from the top of the bank here to the river to make sure that these footings that the bridge is going to sit on don't wash out. Because the bank will wash out once these trees are missing.